Having the heating problems with the furnace at home. So step one, come to the big box store, get a filter. Let's change the filter out, see if that helps. I don't remember the size. I thought it was 24 by 24, but I'm thinking it's 20 by 20. And these things are not cheap. Holy cow. 30 bucks for a filter. Where's the Sam's Choice ones? We need the cheap ones. Man, it might be 24 by 24. There's 24 by 24. That looks big. 20 by 20, 20 by 20. Yeah, there it is, 20 by 20. 30 bucks for two. Wow. And then once we grab this, grab some duct tape because I think, man, that might be too small. But that looks ginormous. I'm pretty sure it's 24 by 24. That's what I had in my head, but I'm fixing to be wrong. Oh well, I'll grab it anyway. Now we need duct tape because I'm thinking I have a ductwork that's not sealed up. I think it's leaking. Duct tape. Hey, duct tape right here. We'll go with chrome so it gets us home. Go home, jump in, work on this furnace, and take you guys along for the ride. Hopefully this helps because it's cold out. Kansas just had some big snowstorm. I think it's 12 degrees outside right now. When I left for work this morning, my house was 55 degrees. I don't want to do that again tonight. See you in a minute. So I just pulled up to the house and I noticed something. See all of that melted snow? Deep snow, deep snow. Down there, not so much. Which makes me think I have ductwork broke underneath my house. And yeah, my house is old, it was vacant. Maybe I should do a video on that, but raccoons had gotten into it, did a lot of damage, put a lot of work into it, but still a long ways to go. But that's probably not a good sign right there. That's where a lot of my heat is going. Ooh, so it was 24 by 24. So smart. Lay you down right there. Hi. Arrow goes up, I think. Airflow. Stick that up in there. Get in there. It's not like in life, man. It's your home, filter. Oh man, I'm jacking this ceiling all up. Dude, seriously, how hard is it to put a filter in a filter box? Oh, Lord. Nice and snug fit. Half the ceiling fell down. This house. Ouch. Push this back up here. That's locked. That's not locked. Oh my goodness gracious. Lock that. Get in there. Lock that. Ceiling falling down. Oh, now we're in trouble. My bad. Well, that probably isn't good. I feel like something happened here. Maybe Get back up there. I feel like you should sit, I don't know, in there, like so. Oh, now you will, oh, you. Oh my goodness gracious. I'm no heating and air expert, but I don't think this is right. All right, get up there. Hey, there is insulation. Look at that. That goes there, that goes there. All right, you stay. That's not gonna stay. What type of hillbilly backwoods? Oh, that needs to come here. Oh. I'm fixing to get a sledgehammer and fix this because, good Lord. Okay, give me a minute. I'm not gonna waste your time. Let me get this fixed because some stuff happened. Only me. Be right back. Fixed-ish. So one thing that I did figure out, that don't sit in there very good at all. First time it's ever fallen though. Another thing I figured out, this house has 10-foot ceilings in it with a 8-foot drop. Now, I'm thinking that drop ceiling needs to come out, go back up to 10, because that's pretty cool. Filter change, I did go underneath the house. I do have a duct that's open. Since right now it's 8 degrees outside, I chose to go ahead and leave it open for the night. I don't think it's gonna make too big of a difference in here to warm it up in here because we're maintaining 56 degrees. I can live with that, getting ready to go to bed. I got a heating blanket, but I don't have to worry about my pipes freezing if I'm blowing hot air underneath the house. So that's gonna be the temporary 5 o'clock fix, as we call it at work, you know, get it through to the next shift. And I'm gonna deal with that tonight. I was also, when I found out it had 10-foot ceilings, went up there and saw this house has very, very little insulation in it. So I need to work on that as well. So the moral of the story is, change your filters in your furnaces. Be careful in a drop ceiling. And sometimes when you're working on stuff, you find hidden little gems like 10-foot tall ceilings in a house. And I think it'll be amazing when we get back to that. So thank you guys for watching.